Hello everyone and welcome to Tipstack YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to install WordPress using INANMS Web Hosting control panel. So first of all, log into your web hosting control panel. Once you have logged in, scroll down to one-click installs tab, and under this tab you will find WordPress icon. Simply click on that. Now here you need to define the directory where you want to install the WordPress. So if you want to install the WordPress in your website root directory, you don't need to type anything in this field. But if you want to install WordPress in a specific directory, please do mention it here. One thing you need to bear in mind is the directory you want to install the WordPress in should be empty. There shouldn't be any file in that directory, otherwise your installation will fail. So in this video I will install it in my website's root directory. So I will simply click install WordPress, and it will take some time to install it, not very long I hope. So let's wait for it to finish installing. And it says WordPress has been successfully installed, and I think it was under 1 minute. So now once the WordPress has been installed, you can simply click on your website URL here, and it should take you to the page where it shows you about the how to do the initial configuration of your WordPress. So here you will select the language, English, continue. In the next page you can type in the site title. I will type a shop UK, as this is our test website. Username could be anything, and I would recommend you to type in a strong password. I would hide it for security reasons. I would recommend you to have a strong password. This is just for test purposes, so medium would do. Now type in your email address. We have test at, okay. And if you uncheck this option, search engines won't be able to index your website. So if you want the search engines to list your website, do not uncheck this box, and then simply press install WordPress. So now the WordPress has been installed. So now once the installation has been completed, along with the initial configuration of setting up your username and password, you can either click login at the same page, and you will be presented with this page where you can log in. Or if you want to, there is another way to log in, which is type in your URL, your website, /wp-admin, and it will bring you to the same login page here. So now here type in your username, which you set up at your initial configuration, and your password, and press enter. This will bring you to the dashboard of the WordPress. Now from here on you can start making your website in WordPress. You can customize your themes and set up all these options here. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please do get in touch with us. Thank you very much.